This is my. I found this red-looking in a dumpster for extra stuff, and it's like a trophy that says Ranger Database place. There's this cool car on top, and two flags on a wing, and a stand on a wooden stand, and it was like nailed down to it. And, it's on the car, so and it can reflect light.
Ask Ethan to fix it for you. Ethan, can you fix the phone for Cal?
And it's very dusty. I'm doing over here. I don't know. I don't know if there is a person here, but there's going to be something else. The person is not even knows where it is. And it was at the dumpster, and it looked like it looked like it sold for a lot of money, so I'm definitely keeping it. Look, it's very cool. Where does it go?